Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to back up a website from one hosting company to another hosting company via file transfer protocol FTP. So get connected on your control panel and find where it is writing in files and then click on backup. So from here you choose download full account backup. You click here. So from here you're gonna have to choose backup destination. It can be on home directory, but as we are going to choose remote FTP server. Okay, from here you're going to have to enter the remote server address. So I'm going to put, and then here you put the username, here you put the password, and then you put the port and the remote directory. Okay, and then you click generate backup. So we are going to do that. It's my server address. Put my username. And I'm gonna put my password. You click generate backup. It's gonna say full backup in progress. So this will do the backup. It will take some time, but it will depend how big is your website. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe.